Good morning. We are off to the IECSC. Is that how you say it? The IBS show in New York. I'm dressed and now I'm about to go down to my car and meet my tenant at the shop, at the spa, because we're gonna leave from there. I do need to get something from there, like my tripod, my blush, and what else did I want to get? My tripod, my blush. Ooh, I hope I remember when I get there. Tripod, blush. I'll figure it out. But we're about to go, and I need some coffee. So we're gonna have to get some coffee before we leave. Let's go.
WYBC FM New Haven.
I am off to the studio, and like I said, I gotta grab a few things. I can't remember what that third thing is. My tripod, my bronzer or blush. I don't know. I am gonna pack some tissue though, because you know I'm always blowing my nose. My allergies are crazy, so I'm gonna pack me some tissues. But I need some breakfast and a coffee. I definitely need a coffee. So hopefully she'll be willing to stop somewhere, because she's gonna drive her truck. We were gonna Uber up there, but it was like between $120 and $180, and it might be a little bit cheaper just to drive and pay for the gas and whatever else, the parking, or it could end up to be the same thing. Who knows? This is New York, so luckily we're not far. Connecticut and New York are neighbors, so it probably will take us about an hour and a half to get there, hopefully. So yeah, I'm dressed like super comfortable and cute. I have like some baggy flared jeans. My hair is a mess, so that's why I threw this scarf on top, which I think is cute. Cute little vibe, but it's still kind of messed at the bottom. But you know, whatever, it's cute. I put a little bit of bronzer on. Kind of want like something with a glow. I did tie my hair up because it was looking a little crazy. It needs to be done, so I'm gonna try to do that today. But this is the fit. Really comfortable, really casual, nothing crazy. But what was I gonna say? I don't know. So I got the tripod. I got the bronzer. I'm gonna pack some tissue. I don't know what that last thing was, so I feel like then it's not important, right? So it's not important. But I do have some muffins, so I think I might pack those muffins for us for the ride there. And then that way we'll just have to get coffee and then whatever we're going to get there for like lunch and stuff. So I'm just going to use this because now I'm making a mess, and yeah, I don't feel like cleaning nothing up. Okay, so I just used Max Gold Deposit. I might pack this in my bag. A little pink would never hurt nobody. This is just the Ulta Stay Cheeky Liquid Blush. And what color is this? In Velvet Rose. I just want to put like a little dot. I'm looking outside to make sure she ain't... Oh, that's not a little dot. I'm looking outside, making sure she ain't here yet, waiting on me. She's not. I'm just going to blend it with this. A little flush of color, you know, that ain't never hurt nobody. I don't have no foundation or concealer on. I really have not been doing any of that lately. Been enjoying my own skin. Up there, that like blue. We're lost. Take your chances. We're here. Say hi, Yana. I didn't write down nothing for skin.
But yeah, if you use this code, you can get that 10% off and free shipping. And you can get the sample trial sizes.
If you do want to bring it up, let it dry completely. Once it's dried completely, then you can go ahead and remove completely.
Now, I do love SD Max. Right, I know. Yep. I'll still have time before the... We are done with the conference. I am headed home right now. I'm exhausted, but we made really good timing. I think we got back to Connecticut probably about 4:30, 4:45. I ended up going grocery shopping really quick. As tired as I am, so I'm about to go home, get this stuff in the house, and that is it for today's vlog. Hopefully you guys had fun with us. I had a good time. I will say, because this is my first time going to the convention, there was definitely a lot to see. Some parts get a little bit overwhelming. If you get overwhelmed in like a crowd, it can be a lot. But it wasn't bad at all. Everybody made it a really good time. The line to get our badges was long as heck, but they were moving that line right along, so that was good. And I only bought 2 things from Glymed, and I showed you guys a video of what I bought. And then they also had some samples and some other goodies in the Glymed bag, along, like, including a little notebook. My lunch was trash. Don't even get me started, because I feel like I paid $16 for my lunch for it to be trash. It was disgusting. So my stomach is kind of off from that right now. But yeah, so I gotta eat something good to make up for that disgusting lunch. Other than that, I had a good time. We also had we got lost at first getting there, and then we were also having an issue finding parking. So if you go next year, get there early, to check in early, make sure you find good parking, and yeah, get all that research out of the way first. You guys enjoyed this vlog, and I'll see you in the next one. I have 2 vlogs to edit, so you'll have some good stuff coming up for this week.